Here's how to connect a personal Gmail calendar and a shared Gmail calendar. So first you're going to go into your settings, down to calendar. Go to Gmail Sync, add account. You're going to select the first option, sync events into ClickUp. Hit next. It's going to ask you what account you want to pick. Now I got this pop up. I'm going to sign into my ClickUp account. Allow. All right, next. And it's that simple. Now your Google Calendar is connected with ClickUp. So here you have a few instructions. Go to any calendar view, click on your calendars, and select your calendars. So the first thing I'm going to do is go to our homepage. So here you can see by default, I'm only seeing my ClickUp calendar. You can see that by the 0 right here. You would click Add Calendar, and then it gives you the option of your personal calendar, and then if you have any shared calendars. The one thing though that you need to note is that the shared calendar has to be in the My Calendar section here. So if it is not in the My Calendar section, it cannot be synced. So if you have a calendar for uh, your favorite football or hockey team, that cannot be synced into ClickUp. It has to be one of your calendars. But if it's a calendar shared within your organization, that's perfect. So you can click on your calendar and the shared calendar, and it will now show up. So if I go to my calendar view, all right, so if we click on today it's showing me anything in purple here is coming from my Gmail calendar. Anything in gray would be from ClickUp. And then here I have, actually this out of office here is from my shared calendar. Jackie out of office here is from the shared calendar. Out of office is my regular calendar. Then we can see here I have this Columbus Day is on the shared calendar. Another way to see it is in a calendar view. So by default, if you have your calendars turned on, or let's see if we go to, let's see, here we go. So you can turn, or by default, this is your calendars are going to be turned on in any calendar view. And that can get a little annoying. Maybe you just want to see what ClickUp tasks you have on your calendar view. So this is just your ClickUp tasks, but if you click on this sidebar here, you have your calendars here. So I can also click on and show my team PTO calendar, or I can click on my personal calendar and see everything I have on my personal calendar.